Welcome to the Golf Spotlight. I'm Ralph Irvin, coming to you today from the headquarters of Cobra Golf, and I'm here with the Vice President of R&D, and that's Tom Olsavsky. Tom, thanks for taking the time to join us.
Always great to be with you, Ralph.
Especially great when you've got something new to share, and boy, do you ever with the new line of King LTD clubs.
We're very excited about this. This is a relaunch of a brand for us that was in the heritage of Cobra Golf and had a lot of success with in the past. We really felt like we wanted to wait for a breakthrough innovation to relaunch King Cobra as a brand and a product. So we're very excited about that today, and we've had some great initial feedback so far on the drivers, fairway woods, and irons.
Well, especially with the drivers and fairway woods, the first thing anyone's going to say is, wow, that is a different looking club. And it is different, not just in appearance, because it is the first zero CG club.
Yes, it is, and it's a breakthrough technology. We've seen performance here that we haven't seen in the industry to date, and we owe a lot of that to the high tech that we've put into the product. It's also the first golf club that we're allowing golfers to see inside the golf club. So we think that's very exciting to be able to show off all these technologies that we spent a lot of time at Cobra Golf engineering over the past few years.
Well, and this isn't just an engineering project that you've done yourselves. You've brought in literal rocket scientists to help out.
Yes, we have a partnership with CASIS, which is the Center for Advancement of Science and Space, and we work with them on some experiments that we're looking to the future. We've also had the ability to tie into some of the things that have been developed for space. So we're using some things, some materials, some technologies, some design inspirations that have been developed for space.
Well, you start off with the most intriguing part of the King driver, which is the Spaceport.
Yeah, the Spaceport is something that we had a design inspiration off of what they use on the space station, which is the window looking out into space and to see the world. And so our design inspiration of the Spaceport was that window that you see on the International Space Station. This acts as a weight. It's a 16-gram weight. It also acts as a see-through window where you can look inside the golf club. It's also a removable piece, so you can take this off with the tool that we supply with the golf club and look on the inside of the golf club. Now, for the first time, we think ever, the golf club is actually finished on the inside. It's got painting and decals to help us show off the internal technologies of the new King LTD driver. So it's a very exciting concept of doing a spaceport and a driver you can actually see into.
And because the weight is the shape it is, which is very different than any other weight in a driver, it allows you to spread that weight across to help lower the CG.
Exactly. It's a 16-gram weight, but it helps us to lower the CG. It's in the back low location on the driver. It's also helping us because we can make a structure there that's very robust. The structure is robust. It gives us better sound, better feel, and it eliminates the need for what is called in the industry the hot melt glue. That is a very inconsistent feature of golf clubs. So great sound, great performance, great feel, and it's very cool because you can look inside it.
Now, this technology is available also in the fairway metals, but then you also have new irons that, again, are bringing that King Cobra feel back to the course.
Exactly. We have the King Forge Tech Iron, which is a great high-technology iron. It uses a J15 high-strength steel face that gives us the ability to have an undercut and very fast ball speeds. Also, while saving weight and lowering that center of gravity, we use tungsten weighting on the sole of the golf club to help us lower the weight and give more forgiveness, as well as giving great sound and feel. One of the challenges today with these modern irons that are very thin faces is they don't sound and feel very good. This is a forged product that sounds and feels like a player's club, even though it's got a very deep undercut and very fast ball speeds.
And it is a progressive set, so it is going to be really designed to fit most every golfer that's out there.
Exactly. We think this is a great set across the board for golfers who want what I would call a more traditionally sized and looking golf club, but it has great distance, great forged feel, and super performance. So this Forged Tech Iron is very exciting for King Cobra.
Now, if people want more information and really want to check out the iconic looks of all the clubs in this line, where can they do that?
Go to cobragolf.com.
Well, Tom, thanks for taking the time to join us.
Ralph, it's always great talking new products with you and love having you with us.
All right, we want to thank Tom Olsavsky for joining us here on the Golf Spotlight. Join us next time as we continue to give you the information that you need for your next golf purchase.